6. Sex is dirty. Save it for someone you love. When Puritanism and hedonism collide. Sex without sin is like an egg without salt, wrote Louise Buñuel. I regret to say that we of the FBI are powerless to act in cases of oral genital intimacy, unless it has in some way obstructed interstate commerce. Statement by J. Edgar Hoover. Why do so many couples become erotically alienated? The list of factors that contribute to the waning of excitement is long, and the one most commonly invoked is stress. As soon as I sit down, I see the laundry that still needs folding, the unopened mail, the strewn toys, and it takes all sexual desire away from me. Between our new jobs, our old parents, and our young kids, I'm wiped out. I don't have a very strong sex drive to begin with, but right now I don't have any desire for it at all. Don't take it personally. But when my patients cite the all-too-real stresses of modern life to explain why romance went south, I suggest that there may be more to it. After all, stress was a reliable feature of their lives long before they met, and it didn't stop them from leaping into one another's arms. In the next tier of justifications, they trot out the deeper problems in the relationship, the heated bickering and icy standoffs, the lack of trust, the chronic disappointments, the cycle of blame. Sex? You must be kidding. After what you just said to me? When's the last time you showed me you were interested? Do you think you could put just a little effort into making yourself attractive? I wish you'd shut the damn TV off. It makes me feel like dead meat. This litany of disenchantment with acceptance and validation, the shame dissolves. It is an experience of profound empowerment and self-affirmation for the heart, body, and soul. When we can be present for both love and sex, we transcend the battleground of Puritanism and hedonism.